Well, we're in Ensenada, and this is the waterfront. And you can actually walk all along here and get back to the ship. I just thought you might want to see this statue. We're going to walk along here for a while. And there's a woman and her kids up there. But that's like a fishing statue, because this is where the fishing boats go out of. Alright? So we're going to walk along here, heading back towards the ship. We're about a mile from the ship, half a mile, I don't remember. Wasn't very much. Boat launch, I think, around underneath us. This is where you can get a fishing trip. But I see nobody here trying to sell them, although there's a group over here. It looks like it's a restaurant, but it's not open today. That looks like a heart. I'm not sure what the tower is. It looks like where they train firemen, but I don't know. If you walk back past where we were, you get out to the street. The main shopping is a block or two up. You could also cut through here. Still, if you got to cross the main highway to get up to the shopping street.
But there's a fish market in there also.
There's a fish market in there. There's souvenirs, restaurants, fishing opportunities, churros. People working. They got a boat. Surely that. Oh, this is a drawbridge. I think this opens up. That's what is underneath this yellow. Hidden. Right?
Are you guys ready for lobster? How about a shot of tequila?
About it. It's about 11:30 a.m. We're in town on the tequila. So there's music playing and I have to talk over it. So that's why it's getting a little loud from me, because, hey, guitar. So, because I don't want to deal with the copyrights of the music, even if it's in Spanish. Still copyrighted, still music. Not saying I don't like it. Saying I don't want to pay the money. We notice these little shops are not open today. A lot of places along here are not open today. Not sure why. I mean, it's a ship. It's Thursday. But that's the case. Whale bones. This is a weird place. Oh, there's somebody in there now. Look, I'm gonna just come in here. Yeah, I'm hauling something out.
I saw that.
So this is Plaza Marina, and there's a couple places open. It's just interesting. There's not more open. Of course, maybe they're not getting enough people off the ships. We were here last week too. And
We didn't get off the ship.
right. There's some stocks you can put your head and arms in. These shops are open. That music's not too loud. Nice little seaport here. Of course, it's industrial too. You know, there's cargo ships come in and out. ice cream, baños, so they have restrooms in there. Don't know if they charge or not. There's restrooms by the ship in a couple places. Oh, I'm going to take this mask off for a little bit. Ooh. So we could go all the way back to the ship this way, although we're going to find there's not a lot else to look at down here. There is a shipyard here. I don't know if it's storage or repair or both. Hold this up higher. There's a statue. Nuestra Senora de Carmen. I don't know if these people are from the ship or not. So it's actually a very peaceful walk. You could walk from the ship straight into town. You can get the shuttle for $4. It'll take you into town, and then when you're ready, it'll take you back to the ship for $4 total. Round trip, let's say. So that hasn't changed in a few years. Although years ago it used to be free. It looks like, if we walk this way already, they're making some sort of water and light show, fountain, whatever, but it's not working right now. We're fixing it, installing it. There's the ship, Navigator of the Seas, from Royal Caribbean, or Royal Caribbean, depending on how you like to say it. I think they're doing some work down there. We've got a band shell here. This is like a big plaza. So I don't know if that has to do with this. This is what I was talking about. These must be fountains or water jets with lights. Ensenada sign. There's another one over by the ships. Of course, you could go into town straight directly that way and skip all this. The main shopping street is about 2 blocks up, like where the Holiday Inn is. More kiosks, so some of them are open now. Earlier they weren't.